Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today's video, I'm basically going to be using my Nerf gun. This Nerf gun. I basically was going to do a video yesterday, but I did the gaming with my brother. And yeah, so today I'm going to be doing that. And let's hop on and see you guys there. Okay guys, so we're gonna be doing this in my kitchen. So see there, and if I don't talk, it's gonna be because my brother's in my living room and I don't want to like get in the kitchen and mess up this whole thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna be basically in my kitchen, and if I don't talk or anything, just like I will put music. So if I don't talk, this is just gonna be hearing music, but it's gonna be me shooting the gun. So yeah, see you there.